Now we are discussing about commerce concepts. In that today we are discussing about C2B, that is consumer to business. Consumer to business is a business model in which consumers create value and businesses consume that value. For example, when a consumer writes reviews or when a consumer gives a useful idea for new product development, then that consumer is creating value for the business if the business adopts the input. Next point is, what is the C2B consumer business model? A consumer to business model. C2B means consumer to business model. A consumer to business model or C2B is a type of commerce where a consumer or end user provides a product or service to an organization. C2B businesses focus on generating value from their customer base by crowdsourcing ideas, soliciting feedback and more. And next point is, what is the difference between C2B and B2C? What is the difference between B2C and C2B? Focuses on business to consumers and C2B focuses on consumer to business. And next point is, what is the consumer to consumer C2C businesses? Consumer to consumer. C2C, that is consumer to consumer, is a business model that facilitates the transaction of products and services between customers. Here is how it works. C2C is a business model where customers purchase goods and other customers via a third party platform or businesses. Next point is, how is Amazon C2B? Use cases of C2B in e-commerce businesses. Amazon's affiliate marketing is the same sort of service that allows influencers to register and leverage its network to sell the product of other businesses. The business will be rewarded with sales and registered affiliate marketers will get commission fees for the same. Next point is, use Google, a C2B. Online marketing websites such as Google AdSense, Commission Junction and Amazon are good examples of C2B. C2B means consumer to business models, and is C2B and e-commerce. The consumer to business, a e-commerce model allows businesses and consumers to have a mutually beneficial relationship. It is the opposite of the traditional businesses set up. In this relationship, the consumers create value that an organization uses to engage in a business process or gain a competitive advantage. What was the first website to offer C2B? Elance was the first C2B model e-commerce site. Is 01x to C2C or C2B. A business where the transactions take place between customers is known as C2BC, that is customer to customer business. In OLX, the seller is also a customer come consumer seller, and the buyer is also a customer. C2C provides secured market system for the sales of used goods or services. Was this answer helpful? Yes, this is helpful. And so C2C is OLX is the customer to customer is the OLX is the best example. OLX website will in that website customers will sell their goods, used goods in the OLX, and the another party with moderate price he will purchase it. So it is also a customer to customer service. So it is OLX. OLX is very popular in such case. Is Yelp C2B. For example, companies, next point is Yelp C2B. For example, companies such as Yelp, YELP, or TripAdvisor provide a C2B service due to the amount of personal data harvested for use in targeting possible advertising clients. Next point is Upwork, a C2B. Consumer to business. Most typical C2B businesses are freelancer platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. And the next point is Fiverr, a C2B. Fiverr is one of great C2B websites, that is customer to business. Examples of successful C2B e-commerce because of its low cost introductory price, to solve your problems. This is the information regarding commerce concepts, especially in C2B, that is consumer to business. Wishing you all the best.